Okay, just having a look at this a few index charts. Uh, Sometimes the sound just mutes itself, but I'm happy to redo this video again. Thanks for letting me know about that, but I didn't check it. I should check it to see if it has sound, but I can't be bothered sometimes. Uh, so I appreciate you letting me know about that. Not that anyone was really interested in what I'm going to say, but a couple of people that are following this might get something out of it at least anyway. But so the VIX is on support here, as we know still, and this 4 hour hasn't confirmed a reversal yet. It's still below the dotted trend, so it's not a confirmed reversal. I've got an alert on this horizontal line here. The absence of there's no great number of VIX call buys showing up, which I've been looking for and expecting them to show up, but they've been noticeably absent. So I don't know what's going on there, but let's have a look at the VXX now. Rather, the ETF is still very much in downtrend. No sign of it even trying to reverse yet, except for the MACD showing signs of a convergence there, but that's the only sign on the VXX. Very bearish on VXX. VTI, this is the VTI Total Market Fund, this one, and this is still showing no sign of a reversal either, except for the MACD again. The MACD is telling us it's trying to turn over, but still uptrend on both of those. The S&P 500 is still hanging on here. It's still holding above this. It's still in this consolidation here, so this is why you've got to be very patient. You can get these consolidations could last much longer than what you expected, so that's why you've got to be very patient with them. The Nasdaq is still in a consolidation also. On the it's still not confirming a reversal, so once again we've got to. This is where the difficult part is, because you can get bored. It's easy to get bored following this, waiting for it to happen, and then you miss it. When you get the entry, you can sometimes miss it if you're not paying attention. So you think, oh, it's never going to happen. Then all of a sudden it comes out of nowhere. But this is the Russell. Small caps usually lead, and the small caps look like they're wanting to turn over now. So off that double top there, it's not really a double top because this is technically a distribution, but on the daily here. So it's just in the distribution. At the bottom as the distribution is there, right? So just because the Kijunsen's turned up doesn't mean it's bullish. That's just the Kijunsen's making its way up. This can still be a reversal here. So we've got to looking for a confirmed reversal on the 4 hour here. We haven't got it yet. And on the Nikkei has got a reversal on the 4 hour here. That's a confirmed reversal on the 4 hour here, right? So we'll have a look at that on the intraday chart in a minute. But the DAX is also in a consolidation. I thought this was going to break a couple of times here, but it keeps holding the support. It's held support here, here. It's just won't let go. I've been doing extremely well on the DAX to the upside. Now I'd like to get a good reversal on it to the downside, which the DAX is one of my favourites. The FTSE, I don't trade the FTSE as much, but the FTSE is a good one to look at. The UK FTSE, of course, with everything that's going on in the UK at the moment. You've got to be watching this as well. But that is a double top on the 4 hour here, right? So that is a reversal on the 4-hour. Right. And this one, I've been meaning to mention this skew. It doesn't work on the 4-hour. You've got to go just to the daily on this. So this skew index, this tells you the implied volatility, or what people are, if people are prepared to pay a lot for portfolio insurance, this goes up. And at the moment, I put this line on here, that's just like a line in the sand to say if it's below that, then the market's not seeing any particular tail risk at the time, and if it's above that, then it's a higher chance of a tail risk. People are paying higher price for the higher premium for the portfolio insurance, but at the moment the implied volatility is showing to be quite low. The tail risk, as Nassim Taleb talks about tail risk in the black swan, at the moment the market's not seeing any great risk at the moment. So let's go back to the Nikkei. So go back to the double screen. So this is what people are having trouble with, following what's a reversal here. I don't know why, but I've explained this hundreds of times. I've done hundreds of videos about this, and for whatever reason, it's not registering. What I'm saying is not registering. But so people keep asking me, am I trading off the daily 4-hour? No, I'm not. I'm not trading off the daily 4-hour. I've explained this so many times now. I'm just looking at this for the confirmation, right? Then you go down to the lower time frame, which in this case is the intraday template. So this is a reversal here on the daily. That's a reversal there. That's a reversal. That's not a reversal yet. So looking for reversal. It's not a confirmed reversal until that candle closes below the trender. On the 4-hour, it is a confirmed reversal because you're below the dotted trender, right? So you can use the short this on the intraday. So you can short this on the intraday as long as it's below this solid line trend here, right? So, and then when it's like this below both trenders, then you can take swing trades on it, but we still don't have a reversal on the daily yet. So let's have a look. So the short, you can only take shorts on the Nikkei at the moment. So these shorts here, so you can take these. I can take these short entries here, right? You can't take any long entries at the moment because you can't go against momentum. You can also look at the. So we had a good reversal off there. So when you're trading options, right, you can start taking put options using the intraday template, which is, I'm finding it very hard to explain that at the moment. So I'm still trying to work out how to explain this because people are still having a great deal of trouble understanding what to do when. So I really haven't gotten through to anyone about this, as far as I know. From the questions that people are asking me, they're still not getting the idea of what I'm saying yet. So I'm going to try to do a sample of a manual or something. I don't know, get people to look at it and see if they can understand what I'm talking about, because the information's just not registering. That's the frustrating part about it. So I'll try and do something, but anyway, we'll see what happens. But I don't know if I can be bothered because there's not enough interest in really what I'm showing. So I just have to see, but I might try it out at least let's see how it goes. Anyway, that's it. Bye for now. Bye.